Who's the madman? Hmm? Hold on. Hold on, man on the job. Man on the job. What's your name, man? Hmm? Kemar Lewis. Ever. Okay. Which school you go? Boys Canton. Which part? Up here, right? The road up here. You know Miss Jones? She's the principal. What happened Friday? I have something, right? Some opening at the new toilet demand thing, right? Sports Day Friday. Alright, may I take you a look a bit here? Let's take you in some video, you know? Which grade are you in, by the way? Grade 3. So you're bright. Evelyn. Say, oh, who you? Hi, again. We didn't meet just yesterday. Remember? We meet yesterday. Yeah, we meet yesterday.
Wait, take it.
What?
I know you that.
Yeah, man, I'm the same one.
No, because I look...
Me look different?
Yes.
How me look different?
Because your face this small.
I know my face big.
kind of mug. Yeah,
Well, I mean, be different now.
Yes.
All right.
Well,
yeah.
That's why.
You never know.
No.
Yeah. Where I come from?
That's why I live
Florida.
What?
Florida. All right, my youth. Big up yourself. You know. Yeah, record. You know. You want to see you look like. You can't see yourself right now, but you record you here. I'm gonna put it on the internet. You ever hear about YouTube?
So that you do? Me don't want to go for the internet or Facebook. No.
Eh?
You come for your cake already, you get it?
Hmm?
You get a cake?
No, I sit down out here, so. Because I'm out for leave now, so. That's why I'm out here, so. Alright, what good?
Just go feed. I'm go feed for you then.
I mean, me go out here, so. Me go out here, so I leave now anyways. But me see you now again, okay? Alright, it's sad. Don't be sad.